Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm gonna do another video on this van, and hopefully this is gonna be my last video on this project. It might take me 2 days, but I'm gonna make it into just this one video. This week I got a different shift starting at 7 in the morning at work, so by the time I get home, eat, rest a little bit, and then by the time I get to the van, it's starting to get dark already. So I'm gonna have to take some lights out and then continue on this project. I have a couple hours, then I gotta get some sleep, then wake up at 5:30 in the morning and continue on the following day. And I'm hoping to finish most of the front today. There's just a lot of things like little wires and cables and hoses and brackets. And then once the hood, grill, bumper, radiator support, headlights, all that is installed, then I'm gonna get the windshield installed. So for now I'm gonna use the time that I have, turn on some lights, get as much done as I can tonight, and then the following day finish up whatever I didn't finish. So let's go ahead and get this thing done, and then move on to bigger and better things. All right, let's go. Alright guys, this is how far I got tonight. Time to go to sleep, go to work, come back, do the same thing over again. I did quite a bit, installed washer fluid, reservoir, intake, radiator support, hood, fender. I didn't tighten them fully yet because I have to align everything with the headlights and grill and bumper, everything installed. Once all of that installed, then I can align everything and tighten it, make sure the gaps are good, everything is good to go. But this is where I am right now. So let me go to work real quick, get some sleep, go to work, come back and finish it up. All right, be right back. Alright guys, then I'm back after work. Still daylight. I think I'll be able to finish this today. Last night I was able to do quite a bit before I had to go to sleep. Have kids in the background playing with chalk, drawing. Hi. So now I got a few more things to do. Grill, bumper, headlights. Then make sure everything's aligned, make sure everything's connected, all the wires, all the cables, the hoses, etc. And then once all of that is installed, I'll be able to tighten all the things, make sure everything's secure and straight, and then maybe go for a test drive, make sure it drives all good, and I'll be ready to get the windshield installed. So this should be the last video. I should be able to finish all of this today, so let's see if I can do it, and then later I gotta get some sleep and then go to work in the morning once again and then get the windshield installed. So let's get this finished up and see how she turns out. Okay, here's Matthew. He came by to help. Obviously I wasn't doing it correctly, and he's doing an excellent job at fixing the bumper. Okay, how about this one? This one, look, this one. There you go. Okay, over here. Okay, over here, over here. Over here. Oh yes, that one. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, say bye. Alright guys, and this big girl is done and ready to go get the windshield done. I just have a couple of little minor things like the trim right here on the bottom and underneath the door to install. I have to find a mirror because the other van had a broken mirror. But other than that, she's good to go. I checked all the lights. Everything works. Started her up, no issues yet. Still have to test drive her, make sure everything's good on the road because I haven't really test drove this van at all. Now I have to contact the windshield guy and see when we can set up a date so I can get the windshield installed. After I do the windshield, mirror and trim on the bottom there, then I'll do a final video reveal after I clean her up, get her detailed, get her ready for the wife, and you guys get to see her fully detailed, nice and ready to go. So thank you guys for staying up to date with this project. Thanks for watching my videos. If you'd like to see more projects in the future, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button. If you got any questions or comments, let me know in the bottom. And we'll see you guys on the next video, which will be a reveal of this van with everything installed, ready to go, and given to the wife for business. See ya!